Hello guys, I'm sharing your favorite poultry from our God Bowl Kelly Chukwu. And guess what? We are all sold out. Guess what? I've sold all my bed. We sold everything. So now remember, I'm showing you guys how to make your litter dry, how to keep your litter dry even without drying it under sun after you've sold all your bed. Remember, I told you guys I've been using this place for I use here for my brooding and everything till 7 or 8 weeks, depending on how my customers want it. But normally me, I keep my own for 7 weeks. Then my customers need it for like 8 weeks. So guys, let me show you something. I've used these things for like 8 weeks and see how fresh it is. See how fresh this litter is. Now remember, I started. Remember when I showed you guys my other video, how I keep my litters, how I rake my litter immediately after 1 week, and I start raking it immediately after brooding. After I'm done with my brooding, after 2 weeks of my brooding, I rake it every 1 week. Now why do I rake it? I rake it to keep my litter very soft and fresh. As you can see, these guys have been here for like 8 weeks. 8 weeks, and see how fresh it is. Okay, you see how fresh it is. So what all I'll be doing now, I want to, because I'll be by next week I'll be selling them off. Here now can contain like 8 or 7 bags, approximately 8 bags. Yeah, can contain 8 bags, and I'll be selling them on Monday. I'll be selling them off. Now remember, I was using hand thrower. Why was I using hand thrower? I was actually using hand thrower because of my bed is on ground, and I don't want to injure them. No, I don't want to injure them, so that's why I was using hand thrower while my bed was on ground. Now my bed, I've sold all my bed. I'll be using rake. Now I told you guys, if your farm is that big, you can use either rake or shovel. But my farm is not that big. It's just a small apartment that can just contain 100 beds. So what I'm using is hand thrower. What I was using then was hand thrower. So I don't want to injure my bed, and I don't want to like cause any harm to my bed. But if your farm is very big, you can use either shovel or rake. So now guys, remember, after that 1 week I do rake it. After I rake it, I use fresh bush shaving. I apply it on top so the place can be very soft and clean. Now remember, I told you guys it must be 6 deep inches for to see how deep it is. So you see, these guys, I've used these guys for 8 weeks and it's still very much fresh. 8 weeks and it's still very much fresh. What do? I rake it every week. I rake it every week. Every 1 week I rake it, and I'm so careful when I'm raking it because I don't want my beds to have, I don't want to injure my bed or cause any harm to my bed. So guys, now I'll be showing you guys how to make your litter still very much soft and fresh without drying it in the sun. Because I've noticed that most farmers, after drying their bed, they dry their litter under the sun so they can sell it. No, I don't do that. I don't even stress myself drying mine. So what I don't do, I will still rake it up again. Then I'll just add a little fresh litter on top. Then rake it up again and pack it back in my bag. So guys, I'll be showing you guys now. I'll be using rake. I'll not be using hand thrower. So let me show you guys just a little. Let me show you guys a little example how I do it. Now here is please. It is very important. Use your PPE. What does PPE mean? Personal protective equipment. Your nose masks, your glove, your everything. But your nose mask is quite very important. Please use your nose mask because these things are very very toxic. When you inhale it, you start having issues. Imagine your bed when your bed inhale them, they have respiratory issues. Now imagine human being. So please make sure whenever you're raking your bed, use nose masks. Your PPE is very important. Personal protective equipment. So let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys how I do it. So this is, you see, funny enough, these guys are very soft. See. And I've used this for 8 weeks. And I've used it for like 8 weeks, and see how soft they are. Now, this fresh material you are seeing is the one I was adding on the surface whenever I rake it after 1 week. I do add them on the surface, so that's that. So I want to rake everything together. I don't dry my litters on the sun. No, I don't dry them. By next week, I'll set the litter off. Now, in poultry farming, everything is nothing in poultry farming is a waste. You sell your beds, you sell your litters, you sell your bag, your feed your bag, you sell them as well. So, man, there's cool cash in poultry farming. Now, one thing about poultry farming, when I see there's cool cash in poultry farming, they hire the number of a bed, they hire your profit. Now, I'm doing 100 beds, and it's quite not profiting because I'm doing 100 beds. Now, when I extend to 500, that's where the money start coming from. That's when the money start coming. So, please, I always say, please take care of your bed and take care of your litter, because when your litter are being taken care of, everywhere will be smooth. Now let me just show you because of time. Let me show you. go, guys. So, guys, I think I'm done now. So, I'll be packing them to the bag. Take a look at. See how soft this guy is. This guy is so soft. Packing them into this bag. I have like 10 bags outside there. So I'll be packing them into the bags, and after packing them, I'll set them off. Okay. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so whenever I release a new video, you get it automatically. Thank you. Guys, guess what? We are done cleaning everywhere, and guess how many bags we have? We have 11 bags of manure. Guess what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is just the lovely thing about Poultry. Remember I told you guys, this is where we did everything. From day 1 to 8 weeks, we are done, we've tidied up. Now the next thing now, I'll be selling these guys later in the day. After selling them, I'll wash here. We call it whitewashing. I'll whitewash here. After washing it, guess what? I'll bring in a new bed. And so please subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, so whenever I release a new video, you get it automatically. Guess what? I should make your favorite poultry farmer. Thank you.